Okay, now that we have our files selected, we're just going to go ahead and I've got reposition only selected, and we'll just click OK. Now Photoshop is analyzing all of our files, putting them together, and then it will spit us out a nice panoramic image, hopefully. And there it is. It's as simple as that. This is the image. As you can see, the layers have been blended together very well. We can also, what I do here once I get this done, is I will expand this so I get some gray borders around my image. And then let me go ahead and zoom out just a little bit here. And I want to lose all these checkered area here. That's basically transparencies, and that's just where these images have aligned, but they've had to move them up or down, so they're not all perfect. Easiest way to do that is use our crop tool. You can press the C button on your keyboard, or you can come over here. This icon here is your crop tool, and we'll basically click outside of the image here, drag, and select the entire image. Okay, we've got the image selected here with our crop tool, and now you basically are just going to be dragging the top section down to meet your lowest point here on the image. You'll be dragging your bottom section up to meet this lowest or highest point here, and then your sides here doesn't look like they have any issues, so we'll leave those where they're at. So let's go ahead and drag the top down here, and then we'll go ahead and drag the bottom up. Okay, now we're set. So all you have to do to apply this effect is go ahead and hit the Enter key on your keyboard here, and that pretty much adds everything together seamlessly, and now it's one solid photograph.